Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. I'm guessing that you might be working from home these days, like many of us are. And you've probably figured out it's not quite the same as going to an office. In fact, that's an understatement. The structure that your office provides you is just not present at home. It goes beyond setting up your workstation. There are relationships to deal with. There are all kinds of new ways that you need to bring resilience. You need to look at what your requirements are. There are a lot of things to contend with that you probably didn't have to deal with when you had the structure of an office. So I'd like to share with you one thing that will probably make it easier for you as you go through this time, and that is to use STAR goals. STAR stands for specific, truly doable, active, and relevant. So think about something that might not be working for you right now. Perhaps you're finding yourself working day and night. So a goal might be, I want to work from 9 to 5. Specific. Is that truly doable? Look at that. Can you take active steps to create that? And is it relevant? Clearly relevant for you to stay healthy and happy while you're working from home. So think about those STAR goals. And if I can support you in ways to help you work from home and make that work better for you, just reach out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.